Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to forward the calls on your iPhone. At first go to settings and here scroll all the way down to apps. Now scroll down to the letter P, like phone. Open your phone settings application settings, and here scroll down till you see call forwarding. Tap that, wait a moment, enable call forwarding, tap forward to. Here enter the recipient phone number, so let's wait a moment, I need to enter this number. Now our phone number is inserted, and now let me call this number and I will show you the results. So as you can see here, they have my number. Let me move this phone right here. This is my number. This is the phone I will be using to call this number. But wait a moment, I need to unlock it. And this is the phone, wait a moment, that will receive the call over here. This is this phone. And now let me call my number, but let me move these phones like this so I can decorate my environment like that. And now let's begin. AirDrop 737588055. Call, and now not gonna disturb. We should receive a call. As you can see, we have phone notification, but let me move this phone somehow away so that we can do this more convenient, but it works. 737588055. Now we are calling. This phone should receive, but this phone receives the call. And that's how it works. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.